So industry trends, right? This shouldn't surprise anybody. Cloud, hosted, VoIP is growing 30% year over year, which is fast and is rapid. It's not as, and this is more of just an observation on my part, not as fast as we're seeing other applications like your CRM or your messaging or other collaboration tools like Office 365 and others. But voice is, I would say it's a bit of a lagger, but it's growing 30% year over year. So it's definitely the 20,000 pound elephant in the room here. So premise is declining 6% year over year. And oftentimes those are the statistics that people stop at and move on why you should drink the cloud Kool-Aid and go down that road. But oftentimes what they don't share, the cloud VoIP or hosted VoIP currently represents about 1 billion in global telephony market share. Premise is about 5 billion. So it's still heavily in favor of premise communication. Analysts predict a 50% split in 5 years. And like I mentioned before, I don't think analysts are taking into consideration perhaps the hybrid, the fat middle we call it. These numbers I think are going to change. 5 years is an eternity in this industry. So, but this is what the analysts are predicting. This is a study that was done by Synergy Research, and we actually stole it from our manufacturer, ShoreTel. So premise is not going away, at least in the we believe in the near future. Others might agree that if anybody that keeps premise is a dinosaur and you're antiquated, that's just ridiculous. Why would you do that? But think about this. What was cloud, quote unquote, cloud years ago, decade plus? It was Centrex. It was your telecommunications carrier setting up a premise or PBX and delivering analog lines and giving you PBX features to analog phones. So Centrex was cloud. So what does this pendulum look like? I don't know. I just think the point here is I don't think everything's going to be ripped out and it's going to go one way or the other. I think it's going to be a nice blend. And so there is a premise component always here to stay, I believe.